Hey everyone, okay, so I'm going to try and make this video very quick if possible. So I have deleted the video that I posted last night and I'm going to try and explain why as quickly as I can. This morning I've received so many messages and emails and things like that over the past day, and it's been incredible. And in one of those emails I caught a glimpse of somebody saying that there had been a GoFundMe page created for myself. And I cannot stress enough how touched I am by all of the comments and the messages that have been sent to me in the past day. I truly am. I made the video for cathartic purposes only. The incident I was speaking about that had happened over a year ago. And it really was just cathartic for me to speak about it after all this time, because very few, literally a handful of people knew what was happening and what was going on. And while I am incredibly touched by the messages and the GoFundMe pages, I cannot stress enough that I cannot and would not ever accept any of that money ever. And I've reached out to the lovely people that created those pages and asked for them to be closed down, and obviously refunds to be sent to the people that have donated. Again, I am so very touched, but I cannot and would not ever accept anything like that. And I find it, while I find it incredibly overwhelming, the kindness of it, I find it incredibly stressful as well. That's why I deleted the original video. And this is why I'm saying in this one, thank you so much for everything that has been said and done over the past 24 hours. But please understand that I cannot and will not accept anything like that, and that you must not donate, and that I have requested that those pages be taken down. Again, thank you for so much love and support. And like I said, it was for cathartic reasons. This was a year ago that this happened. And while I'm still dealing with the ramifications of everything, they are my ramifications, and I will deal with it and I will sort it. Thank you again very much. I so appreciate it. And I will see you with a jolly video very soon. Thank you.